You don't need ads to make money on YouTube. In fact, the best way to start earning before you're monetized is simpler than most people think. Preview. In this video, I'll show you the best method for beginners to make money on YouTube without monetization. Step by step. Step 1. Why monetization? Isn't the answer to even qualify, you need 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours. That can take months or even years. And even when you get it, most small channels only make a few dollars a day from ads. That's why the smarter path is to use YouTube as a traffic source, not just an ad machine. Step 2. The best beginner method. The best way to earn without monetization is affiliate marketing. Here's why. It works even with low views. You can start immediately with no requirements. One sale can earn more than 1,000 ad views. Example, promote a $50 per month tool with 30% recurring commission. $15 per month per signup. Just 67 signups equals $1,000 per month without ads. Step 3. Create videos that solve problems. Don't just pitch products. Create videos that help people fix problems. Examples. How to make YouTube videos without talking. Promotes AI voice tools. How to save 500 a month fast. Promotes finance apps, 3 AI tools that save you 10 hours a week. Promotes automation software solve a problem, then naturally link the solution in your description. Step 4. How to set up your affiliate funnel. To maximize clicks and sales, place your affiliate links in top of your description, visible without clicking more. Pinned comment reinforces the call to action. Mentioned in video with a clear CTA, check the first link in the description to try this tool for free. Step 5. Rinse and scale. Your goal is not one viral video but a library of problem-solving videos. If one video makes $5 per day, 10 similar videos equal $50 per day. Over time, that stacks into 1,000 plus per month without ever needing monetization. Closing. So, what's the best method? Use YouTube to solve problems, recommend affiliate products, and build videos that pay you even without ads. Stick with this system, and you'll be earning before you even qualify for monetization. I've listed my favorite beginner-friendly affiliate tools in the description. Check them out to get started today.